What is it about lasers that fascinates us so much? Is it their ability to harness the fundamental forces of the universe and concentrate them into a single powerful beam of light? Or is it the technological wizardry required to create and control them? Perhaps it's the way that they revolutionized fields as diverse as medicine, manufacturing, and entertainment, and made possible things that once seemed impossible. Here is a list of some of the best cutting lasers. The water jet is the most amazing. CF9 CNC machine. The CF9 CNC machine is widely known for its application with jewelry. The complex designs on the jewelry can take a lot of work to make by hand. This powerful machine has a capacity and ability to make complex jewelry designs within seconds. 𝗬𝗏𝗔𝗍𝗔, a Turkish CNC manufacturing company, manufactures this machine. This machine weighs 850 kilograms, powered by a 1.5 kilowatt, 60,000 RPM spindle motor, and has dimensions of 85 by 105 by 185 centimeter. The pen and floor motors both are rated at 0.55 kilowatt and operate in the RPM range of 12,000 to 20,000. This CNC machine is programmed with rapid tool changing technology in such a way that it can automatically change the tools while working. Different tools make the machine work in different modes according to your specific needs. The working phenomenon depends on the two laser heads connected to an axis. The rotation of the axis is 180 degrees, which make this machine extremely useful in creating complex jewelry engravings. If you want to engrave designs on the sides of rings and bracelets, you can turn the machine's working angle by 90 degrees to do it. 𝗕𝗵𝗵 2-in-1 laser engraver and cutter. This incredible 2-in-1 laser engraver and cutter is manufactured by 𝗕𝗵𝗵. Operating with a 3.5 kilowatt power, the most appealing specifications of this cutter is that it is one of the most portable laser engravers in the world. You can carry it anywhere and engrave your favorite designs on various surfaces with 100% accuracy. Some of the surfaces include paper, wood, leather, cloth, plastic, and even different foods such as eggs and bananas. Any type of design can be engraved on the desired surface. Before starting the process, the machine allows you to preview what the engraved design would look like in the form of a blueprint. Remarkable accuracy allows high-quality details even in complex engravings. This machine works on the peculiar engraving laser technology developed by the renowned 𝗕𝗵𝗵, so you can expect a high quality. A lightning-fast engraving speed that engraves 4,800 millimeters per second with pinpoint accuracy and an astounding 640K resolution makes this 2-in-1 machine an excellent creative asset. Mazak FX Compact Laser Tube 100. The compact, versatile machine is ideal for designing various types of tubes. It was introduced to the market by a company in North America to provide value to the natives in the industry. This machine specializes in the production of tubes that have small volumes and rods that have diameter of up to 100 millimeters. This compact machine can cut flat sheets 20 inches by 24 inches that have a thickness of up to 0.25 inches. The solid and intact design makes this machine possible to use in any type of scenario. It comes with 6 control axes and the height of the chuck center is 45.5 inches. This compact machine weighs 20,900 pounds. 𝗬𝗏𝗃𝗃 4 Dual Laser Engraver. This new generation dual laser engraver can perform laser engraving using 2 different lasers. One laser is the 10-watt 450 nanometer laser, while the other is a 2-watt 1064 nanometer laser. This magnificent machine can engrave on almost any surface that you can think of. The glass case of your PC, the leather case of your AirPods, or any other material, including fabrics and hard surfaces such as wood or bamboo. The wider 300 by 160 nanometer workspace is a welcome addition to the previous generations. The wider workspace allows you to engrave multiple products easily in one go. This is especially great if you engrave on a commercial scale. Impeccable focus and prestigious designs are obtained by 𝗬𝗏𝗃𝗃 4, thanks to the new focus technology that uses a dual laser to lock the focus rapidly. An astounding accuracy of 0.01 millimeter is obtained by focusing the lightning-fast laser onto the workplace using the fast axis collimator (FAC) lens. Switch between the 2 lasers easily with a single swipe. Also, this machine makes photo engraving more accurate, rapid, and impeccable by using the 10 times faster carving speed that goes to a maximum of 12,000 millimeters per minute. Apart from the faster speed, 8K resolution is obtained, making every engraving look fire. The 𝗬𝗏𝗃𝗃 4 has a rotary extension that enables you to engrave on any shape. The max cutting depth of this machine is 8 millimeters. 𝗓𝗵𝗵. When using 𝗓𝗵𝗵, accuracy is guaranteed because the built-in camera allows you to carefully place the design on the surface where it appeals most. 𝗓𝗵𝗵 is small in size but can help you engrave on hundreds of surfaces, including wood, plastic, leather, and paper. A bright aspect of the 𝗵𝗵 is that it is compatible with all of the software beginner-level designers know about. The simplicity of usage is that you can take a photo of any object that you want to engrave on the surface, upload it to 𝗵𝗵, and let it take care of the rest. The autofocus of 𝗵𝗵 is also great for achieving flawless engravings for beginners. Engraving on circular and cylindrical objects is made simple by 𝗵𝗵 due to a built-in rotary system that allows easy engraving on curved and cylindrical objects. The diode laser technology can be used for more power and rapid engraving or cutting. The remarkable 0.05mm layer spacing accounts for accurate engravings. The small design takes less space and does more for you. 𝗬𝗏 Tube 5000. The 𝗬𝗏 Tube 5000 is the fastest machine in the world for cutting pipes. Different types of tubes and pipes are produced by using this laser cutting machine. The cutting accuracy identifies the different types of pipes and tubes. Extremely high-quality designs can be obtained with this laser cutting machine. The applications of the 𝗬𝗏 Tube 5000 include making furniture, sports items, and other decoration pieces, as the products manufactured by this machine are highly accurate and eye-catching. The smart profile detection software of this machine allows it to identify different profiles even if the workpiece has a confusing geometry. The productivity of this machine is due to a single cutting edge being able to cut different surfaces with pinpoint accuracy. The thickness ranges from 4 to 8 millimeters, depending on the surface material, and the laser power is 3000 watts for the 3001 lasers and 4000 watts for the 4001 lasers. The alignment of each tube is automatically done by the seam line tube that identifies weld seams. 𝗏𝗏 LS Series. The 𝗏𝗏 LS Series, including the LS2436 and the LS2440, are optimal for fast engraving on paper and cutting through different materials. High-speed lasers like the LS Series consume a lot of power, but work at an equally faster rate that makes up for the energy consumption. The standout feature is that even when working on high velocities, the laser doesn't leave any after effects such as burns on the surface. The precision is accurate due to the different modes in the machine. This machine can cut paper at the rate of 40 millimeters per second when used at 20% of its potential. If used at their full potential, LS Series machines can cut through surfaces such as plywood, rock-hard granite, and even delicate glass. These machines can cut through 3.5 millimeters thick surfaces of plywood if used to their potential. The fast working speeds of these machines are their standout characteristics along with impeccable precision. 𝗬𝗚𝗏 Lean Portable Water Jet Cutter. A water jet is excellent at cutting through solid surfaces such as plastic. The water jet is ejected at such a high speed that it becomes penetrative. The water jet comes as a thin layer under great pressure. The portable water jet cutter has a particular valve that prevents sand from accumulating and blocking the flow of water. Portability makes it easy to move around. The electrical components are explosion-proof. The cutting precision of the portable water jet is 1 millimeters. It contains a linear cutter, taping cutter, magnetic and chain track cutter. It requires 380 volts of power and weighs 380 kilograms. The pressure ranges from 25 to 50 MPa. High pressure is the reason that enables water to pierce through solid surfaces. Complex designs are also possible to achieve, and water jet cutting is especially useful when there is a risk of material being inflammable. 𝗕𝗏𝗖𝗠 D1 Pro Laser Cutter and Engraver. Metals can be hard to deal with when it comes to engraving complex designs. Metals like brass are easy to cut, but complex patterns require precise machines with certain characteristics. The 𝗕𝗏𝗖𝗠 D1 Pro comes in two variants in terms of machine power. The D1 Pro 20 watts has 120 watts of power, while the 10 watt has 60 watts of power. The laser power is 84 watts and 40 watts in D1 Pro, 20 watts and D1 Pro 10 watt respectively. The allowed maximum height of the workpiece in both variants is the same, 50 millimeters or 2 inches. The speed is also similar in both variants, 400 millimeters. The dimensions of working areas are almost similar in both. The wide workspace allows for batch production in less time. Complex brass specimens can easily be engraved using the 𝗕𝗏𝗖𝗠 D1 Pro laser cutter and engraver. 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗃 Laser T-Series high-speed fiber laser cutting machine. The power range of this machine is 1,500 watts to 4,000 watts. It can easily cut tubes precisely that are 20 millimeters to 200 millimeters in length. The chucks are digital and they don't need to be changed due to the advanced technology. The machine rests on a rigid frame that prevents the machine from losing its shape. It provides a solid base that ensures that the machine doesn't move unnecessarily. The CNC system is smart and optimal for cutting tubes of different shapes. The precision is not only limited to circular tubes. This machine cuts rectangular and other complex geometrical tubes with the same accuracy as circular tubes. Mid-rail gantry 5-axis water jet. The mid-rail jet edge 5-axis is a water jet cutting system that features 5-axis cutting capabilities, allowing it to cut complex 3-dimensional mechanical parts with an incomparable finish. With the ability to cut bevels up to 60 degrees, this system is optimized for cutting the hardest materials. The system is fully networkable thanks to the 𝗂𝗏𝗏 technology. You can even cut underwater. For different purposes such as laser surfacing, slitting, and other secondary operations, this assembly comes with additional heads. The sensitive height sensors and isolation system are incredible additions to this water jet cutting system. The ball screws are directly fastened with the motors to provide precision of cutting. The bearing components critical for operation are protected with tight seals and positive atmospheric pressure to prevent contamination. The system uses direct couple, brush AC motors with encoders, and a Y-axis drive system to provide accurate and consistent cutting and splitting performance. The system can also be coupled with the jet edge UHP pump to optimize it for specific environments. MakeBlock X Tool M1. The MakeBlock X Tool M1 supports dual cutting, which means that it also has the blade cutting feature along with laser cutting. This feature makes it an all-purpose cutting and engraving machine. The laser accounts for applications like precision cutting and engraving, while the blade accounts for more in-depth cutting. The X Tool M1 is a desktop-supported machine that cuts and engraves more materials than any other machine. It can also cut through 8 mm thick materials. The smart camera gives a preview of how the design would look like. 0.08 by 0.08 mm engraving is very detailed. Also, the blade is used to avoid the burn marks of laser on materials like vinyl. If you liked the video, check out this video, 12 coolest gadgets you will definitely enjoy.